Chevrolet
Fleet masterpiece. Year of production is 1947. Hi guys.
97873041.
Disney found music. Okay. Do you know anything about engines? We will learn. Actually, we'll start. Okay, this looks so good.
We have to go into this car and sit.
Yeah, no, we are not supposed to. Okay, it's a Ford T Roadster 1926. Oh my god. Oh, this car looks so pretty. Okay, there's a Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah. Genuinely wish I knew something about cars, but I don't know anything. But I just know that it goes for okay. So okay, there are engines. Actually, we can learn about these cars now, like about engines. So, okay, guys, I will explain what engines are. After 5,000 years of reinventing the wheel and moving in horse-drawn carts and carriages, man invented a way to move independently with an invention of an engine. Wow. Then we have another engine. We are not supposed to touch in these things, so I'm not gonna touch. Yeah. This is our engine. This is automatic transmission, and then this something flywheel gear selector. Yeah, there are a lot of things, and this is something. This actually, these are like parts of in some
Parts of it.
See? So you can see this. Okay, I'm not supposed to touch it, but wow. It says, please don't touch. So we are not gonna touch. You're so cute. Come here. I feel so stupid because I don't have no knowledge about any of these things.
Do I have?
You don't have that. Yeah, that makes it better.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes it worse. No, never mind. This car looks so pretty. Wow.
Overexcited.
Yeah. We are not overexcited, but we are okay. This I have seen these cars in movies. Glass, white glasses. Yeah.
We have seen this all in movies.
Yes.
We have not seen in real life, but we are seeing now in real life.
And act like I know everything about cars. So let's start. Oh my god, this car looks so cool. Oh my god, it's so huge. See? Wow. So this is Oldsmobile Delta 88, 1980. So General Motors is the company and country of origin USA, and engine is V6 3785cc diesel. Then what we have, and can go. Yeah, coach work is 4-door sedan here. Oh my god, this is an Oldsmobile Dynamic 660. Okay, so this was introduced in 1948. Engine is 238.1 cu in 6-cylinder. Wow, looks so pretty, brilliant, elegant. Wow. We have.
No?
I don't know how to pronounce this.
She's boring up. You're boring up. Your YouTube channel people will be bored. Shut.
Okay, guys. Oh, I love this car. It's so pretty. 1100.
You're boring.
This 1937. Oh my god, I like that. This red is so good. Oh my god, this red is so
It is
good.
from
Which model is this? Okay.
BMW.
Finally something I can do. BMW 700. It was produced in 1961. And yeah, country of origin is Germany. You know, there is one reel where this one girl, she explains how to pronounce BMW.
It's BMW, not BMW. Bayerische Motorenwerke.
Wait, what?
Bayerische Motorenwerke. Learn it.
So this lady explains how to pronounce this BMW, but I didn't forget that. Sivaprasadini is saying you guys are going to get bored because of me.
Yeah, true. Because you are just reading what is written there.
Because I don't know anything else. I just know how to read. Thank God I know how to read. I just know that this is Hansa 1100. Anyways, we will explain some other. Oh my God. That car looks so pretty. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. See, it's so small. Okay, don't scare my subscribers.
I'm not going to.
Sorry guys, I don't know what it was. Don't get scared. It's just
I'm not-
Sivaprasadini.
I'm not going to scare you. I'm not that scary.
You are sometimes you're so scary. Oh my god. If I cross this, I think I'll get fired. Yeah. No, I don't want to be kicked out. Okay, Indian transport through ages. We will go above.
These are all Americans. Now we are going to India.
That was actually fun. Even though I don't know anything about cars, I don't know how many times I'm saying this that I don't know anything about cars. I mean, you guys can actually guess it that I don't know.
Embarrassing me.
Okay, guys, I think it's not open.
We'll explore. We'll walk somewhere.
Yeah, we'll explore. Walk somewhere.
So sorry. I did not see the timing.
Where is this place?
RS Puram.
Yeah, we are exploring RS Puram. Okay. This cafe is not open.
We have actually reached the cafe. The cafe when will it be open? Okay. Okay. We are two.
What are they saying?
12 o'clock it will be open. We are cleaning inside.
We are sitting in front of the cafe like this.
Like a bag.
Like two beggars. I mean, we are not beggars, we are students. But wait, what's the time right now? Yeah, it's 11:40. The cafe opens at 12.
Till
and
20 more minutes.
Yeah,
We will
20 more minutes. We will adjust. What will we do? What are you
We'll
going
sit
to
like this.
do? We'll sit like this.
If someone
Definitely.
come and put coin, we don't know.
There is a basket. There's one basket. I'll plug the basket. That guy is like, why are these girls sitting here?
Staring us and going.
Oh, there's this one guy. He's staring at me. Why is she sitting here? I mean, we don't have no better job than to sit here.
See it, it's closed.
Yeah, it is closed.
What can we do?
They are cleaning inside, but let them clean. We'll wait. I mean, it's Sunday and we don't have anything else to do. Yeah, I don't know what to say now. Yeah, we are sitting. Car museum was fun. Even though I don't
Know anything.
about cars, I'm saying this for the 100th time that I don't know anything about cars. But cars are fun. I love Cars movie. It's like one of my favorite Disney movies too. And tomorrow we have college classes. Wow.
First is JK sir's class with new assignment.
Yeah, we will be taking new assignments. But I'm excited for assignments. I love doing assignments. Still not open. What's the time?
Man, till 10 more minutes. Wait.
What's written here? Something in Tamil. I don't know how to read Tamil, so
You don't know how to speak also.
yeah, I don't know how to. I can understand Tamil. Will they open? Hey, I look like this.
If they think they come and see it, they'll think it's a
Creepy people standing outside.
Let me show you. I found this good cafe.
And going like they're staring, not even looking, staring like this.
Now if you take photo, it will be good, I feel.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to ride this cycle and take it away, but it's not even moving. Pedal is not moving. What shall I do?
It's a cute cycle, it's just for display. Why is it taking this much time? What are they doing there?
They have to clean, man.
Yeah, okay. Okay. We'll wait. Yeah, it's completely fine. Actually, it's getting boring. Finally.
Got open.
Finally, it's open here inside. We were waiting for how many minutes?
For
You have
half
any-
an hour.
Yeah, for half an hour we were waiting and finally we are inside the cafe. Finally!
But they are not open the main this thing. They are just open.
They didn't open that. I think they'll open. We were sitting outside like beggars. But it was an experience. Like everything is an experience, so it's fine. It's completely fine. You're tired?
This paining sitting there outside.
Yeah.
It was too hot.
Okay guys, it's finally open. We waited like my lips are burning. Oh my god. Okay. The food wasn't worth it. The aesthetic is good. How to pronounce aesthetic? It's aesthetic or aesthetic? Everyone makes
This not that good.
yeah, it's not that good to be honest. It's not good. But the place is good. Food is not good, but place is good. That's it. Oh my god, I hate that. I ordered this. What is it? Like cottage cheese bao.
And they gave paneer bao.
Cottage cheese is paneer siva.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
Okay. So
No, in the menu card, they have given that. They have to give like that only. No, see here. They have given it as paneer.
now we are walking to
Brookfield.
Brookfields.
And it's near to railway station somewhat.
Finally, guys. Finally, we are here at Brookfields. I'm so tired. You are tired? We walked. How many kilometers did we walk?
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5 kilometers we walked.
That in this hot sun.
Yeah. And now we are in, as you can see, we are of course in washroom. Okay, we'll fresh up and then,
Go roam around the mall.
yeah. And then we'll go back to campus. Is there anything else we can?
No.
Nothing else. Yeah, we have to go back. Which one? That one. This is good. It's really good.
More than that French cafe food?
Don't make me remember that. It was so shit food.
Okay.
Not like the food. I have to be honest. I'm glad. I'm not going. I will go back there just for the photos.
Not for the food.
Just order lunch. I don't know what to do. What to do now? Let me check if there's anything good.
You're not like?
No, I don't think so. We'll go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Come, let's go.
She's having little bit attitude, don't mind it. Nothing.
Sivaprasadini got a temporary tattoo. I don't like tattoos, so I'm not getting it. We are going inside there. One book. Cute.
When you play with me with the dolls, come.
Oh, even film.
Let's see some other doll.
You want anything?
No, I don't want to buy. My bed don't have space to sleep or be also.
Okay. You already have a lot of dolls.
Two are there. One more is coming.